Come check this out, guys. This is a levitating camera. Isn't that mad? Look, I can actually remove this. It levitates. Where have you seen that before? Look how massive this door is, guys. It gives you access to the front and the back seats. Now check this out. This moves with the steering wheel, so it's always level. This is the Koenigsegg Gemera, the world's first four-seater hypercar, and it runs on 100% alcohol, you guys. So you can run this baby on renewable energy or fully petrol, pretty much anything, except for diesel. Don't put that in here. This is the back seats here, and you've got so much room. It's unbelievable. 8 cup holders, 4 in the back for the passengers, 4 in the front here. And the reason for that is each passenger gets hot and a cold cup holder. You've also got these things here. This is actually, in case of an emergency, you pull this out and you can smash through the glass. This is all memory foam, so it molds to your body. It's made in Sweden, and Gemera actually means to give more. So you've got a hypercar with 2 back seats. You can also fit 4 suitcases in this car. In here in the back, 3 full-size carry-on bags. Look at this. In what hypercar can you fit this in? It's actually got a 2-litre twin turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. 3-cylinder, but the cylinders are massive, so it's going to have a really like aggressive growl. Plus it's got 3 motors, so electric motors, 1 here, 1 there, and 1 here as well. And that produces 1,700 horsepower, you guys. 1,700! And get this, 0 to 100 in under 2 seconds.